Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Igama lami uMama Thando. My name is Mama Thando. Ubani igama lakho? What's your name? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. I'm so happy to meet you, mngani. Well, now that we know each other, we can call each other friends. Umngani is the word for friend ngesiZulu. In my language, isiZulu. Well, mngani, look at this. It's my birthday. My birthday finally came. Yay! I am so happy. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Okay. Ngijabule mngani, ngijabule kakhulu. Namhlanje usuku lwami lokuzalwa. Namhlanje usuku lwami lokuzalwa. Today is my birthday. And so I want to have fun with you. Thank you so much for coming to attend my birthday party. I really do appreciate you. Now, let us sing the hello song, the Sawubona song, and greet each other. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani. Oh mngani, unjani? How are you? Unjani? I think let's sing the feeling song so that we can all know what to say, how to respond to that question. Imizwa yethu coming right up. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila. Yena unjani? Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe unene. Yena uyaphila. Bona banjani? Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila. Thina sinjani? Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule. Thina sijabule. Oh, that was wonderful. Now, I'll ask that question again. Unjani? Oh, that's wonderful to know. Mina, me. Ngijabule. Ngijabule kakhulu. Oh mngani, ngijabule kakhulu. I'm very happy. Kakhulu is a lot. So if you want to say a lot or you want to say very, you say kakhulu. Ngijabule kakhulu. So let's get started with our lesson. What's our lesson today? Guess what? What is it? It's my birthday. That's the lesson. Let's get started. Woza komba. The days of the week. We're not going to say them. We're just going to sing them. It is a birthday party after all. So let's go. In this song, you can snap your fingers, clap your hands, stamp your feet, whatever you feel like doing, as long as you have fun and memorize the days of the week in isiZulu. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. So, my friend, having sung the days of the week song, what day is it today? uLwesingaki namhlanje? uLwesingaki namhlanje? What day is it today? Well, we last saw each other ngoLwesithathu. Yesterday it was Wednesday, uLwesithathu. So which means that today then is uLwesine. So let's say that in a full sentence. Namhlanje uLwesine. Namhlanje uLwesine. Repeat after me. Namhlanje uLwesine. Very good, mngani. So, what day will it be then tomorrow? Kusasa kuzobe kuLwesingaki? Kusasa kuzobe kuLwesingaki? Yebo mngani, you said it right. uLwesihlanu. uLwesihlanu. Kusasa kuzobe kuLwesihlanu. Say that after me. Kusasa kuzobe kuLwesihlanu. Oh mngani, wonderful. Now, let's say, what day was it yesterday? Izolo bekuLwesingaki? Yebo, izolo bekuLwesithathu. Now, repeat that after me. Izolo bekuLwesithathu. Very good, mngani. Kuthangi, the day before yesterday. What day was that? Kuthangi, bekuLwesingaki? Yebo, the day before Wednesday is Tuesday, and Tuesday is uLwesibili. Now let's say that Kuthangi bekuLwesibili. Repeat after me. Kuthangi bekuLwesibili. Very, very good, mngani. So today though is uLwesine, usuku lwami lokuzalwa, my birthday. Today's date is the 8th of February 2024. We can say this in isiZulu in two ways. One way is shorter and the other one is a little longer. Namhlanje umhla 8 kuFebruary ngo-2024. You see there that we used English words. We used the word February in English, and we used the number 2024 in English, the number of the year. You can say all of this in isiZulu like this. Namhlanje umhla wesishiyagalombili ngenyanga yaNhlolanja ngonyaka wezi-2024. So yes, that was very long in isiZulu. But what I would like you to learn now from it is to say umhlaka, so the date is umhlaka And then I would also like you to say the month in isiZulu. uNhlolanja. uNhlolanja. That is February. uNhlolanja. Repeat that after me. uNhlolanja. Very good, Mngani. That is today's date, the 8th of February, 2024. Umhlaka 8 February 2024. My birthday. Mngani, linjani izulu? How is the weather where you are? Linjani izulu namhlanje? Linjani, linjani, izulu namhlanje. Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje. Go and check through the window, through the door. Go and check. Please ask an adult to help you. And then come back and tell me. I'll be right here waiting for you. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-da. Hawu usubuyile mngani. Linjani izulu namhlanje? Oh, wonderful, Mngani. Let's check how the weather is here at Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom. Imaginary window. Siyabonga. Let's look through the imaginary window and see what the weather is like. Ooh, it's nice and sunny outside. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with you, friends, because it's so beautiful outside. How do we say that it is hot today in isiZulu? Liyashisa. Liyashisa. Siyabonga, imaginary window. Now we can put on the board that it is hot today. And also, I have the perfect picture to say that it is hot today. Yebo. Can you see? Let's say the whole sentence. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Repeat that after me. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Very, very good, Mngani. Now, let's check on Amahle and Andile. They are both here. Yebo, they are both here and all dressed for the party. Let's see what everyone is wearing. Ooh, look at Amahle. Ooh, you look so pretty, Umuhle Amahle. Let's say everything that Amahle is wearing. We will say Amahle ugqoke. So Amahle is wearing, and then we'll say the name of that thing that she is wearing. So let's go. We'll start from the top all the way down. Amahle ugqoke izibuko. Amahle ugqoke izibuko. Repeat after me. Amahle ugqoke izibuko. Amahle ugqoke isikipha. Amahle is wearing a t-shirt. Repeat after me. Amahle ugqoke isikipha. Going down. Amahle ugqoke ibhlukwe. Amahle ugqoke ibhlukwe. Repeat after me. Amahle ugqoke ibhulukwe. Amahle ugqoke amateki. Amahle is wearing sneakers. Amahle ugqoke amateki. Repeat that after me, please. Amahle ugqoke amateki. Very good, Mngani. Let's see what Andile is wearing. Sawubona Andile. Let's see what you're wearing. Show the friends. Aha, look at that. Ooh, he's even done his hair so nicely, like mine. How cool, Andile. Oh, Andile, Let's see what he's wearing. We'll say uandile, ugqoke, and then say what he's wearing. A t-shirt, isikipha. Uandile, ugqoke isikipha. Say that after me. Uandile, ugqoke isikipha. Very good. And he's wearing shorts. Uandile, ugqoke isikhindi. Say that after me. Uandile, ugqoke isikhindi. And he's wearing sneakers. Uandile, ugqoke amateki. Repeat that after me. Uandile, ugqoke amateki. Very, very good, Mngani. Now what about me? Let's see. You can say Mama Thando ugqoke and then say the name of the thing that I'm wearing. But I'm the one who's talking about myself now. So I want to say ngigqoke. I am wearing. Ngigqoke. Now, repeat that after me. Ngigqoke. And then you say whatever you are wearing. We can do this together. While I am saying what I'm wearing, then you can then say what you are wearing today on my birthday. Let's go. So we'll start with my neck. Ngigqoke imigexo. 2 necklaces. Ngigqoke imigexo. 1 necklace is umgexo. More than 1, imigexo. Ngigqoke isikipha esiwolintshi. Ngigqoke isikipha esiwolintshi. I'm wearing an orange t-shirt. I told you it's my favorite color. Yebo. Now, ngigqoke isikhindi esimnyama. And that, my friend, is it. All I'm missing really is a crown. It would be so nice to wear a crown on my birthday, don't you think? Yeah. But anyway, let's see what else we have today. For my birthday party, to eat, we have amakhekhe, cakes. Amakhekhe ayisithupha. Would you like one? Tata. And the next thing I have for us to eat for my birthday, amagwinya. Amagwinya amane. Amagwinya amane. Let's describe them. I'll touch them. When we look at them, you can tell they are brown in color. So we'll say amagwinya ansundu. Repeat that after me. Amagwinya ansundu. Let's touch and feel them. Ooh, they are so soft. I love this. Amagwinya athambile. Soft amagwinya. Amagwinya athambile. Repeat that after me. Amagwinya athambile. Very, very good, Mngani. Okay, let me have a taste. It's delicious. Amagwinya amnandi. Amagwinya amnandi. Very, very good, Mngani. And now that we've seen all the food that we are going to enjoy today, I want to look at the decorations for my birthday. Decorations in isiZulu are imihlobiso. 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 Will you repeat that after me? Imihlobiso. Very good, Mngani. Now look at this. We have balloons this side and balloons this side and tassels this side. Oh, it's just so pretty, isn't it? Let's look at the balloons. we have amabhalunde abomvu amabili. 2 red balloons. Amabhalunde abomvu amabili. We have 2 yellow balloons. Amabhalunde aphuzi amabili. 2 yellow balloons. Amabhalunde aphuzi amabili. Ooh, look. This one is shaped like a heart. Look at it, Mngani. It is shaped like a heart. Oh, I love it. Ibhalunde eliyinhliziyo, a heart-shaped balloon. Inhliziyo is the heart in isiZulu. Repeat that after me. Inhliziyo. Very good. Now let's say this whole sentence now. Ibhalunde eliyinhliziyo. Very good, Mngani. So a heart-shaped balloon. And we have 3 green balloons. 1, 2. Amabhalunde aluhlaza amabili. Amabhalunde aluhlaza amabili. Let's count how many balloons we have this side. Kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye. Amabhalunde ayisishiyagalolunye. Repeat that after me. Amabhalunde ayisishiyagalolunye. But you see now, my balloons are many colors. How can we say many colors of balloons or multiple colors? Amabhalunde ayimibalabala. Repeat that after me. Amabhalunde ayimibalabala. Absolutely wonderful, Mngani. Halala. Let's move on to this side. Ooh, my favorite color is here. Oh, let's see. Come closer to me. I want to see. Look at this. How many orange balloons are there? Kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha. Look at that pretty one over there. Isithupha. So, amabhalunde ayisithupha. Amabhalunde ayisithupha. Now let's say 6 orange balloons. Amabhalunde aWolintshi ayisithupha. Amabhalunde aWolintshi ayisithupha. Will you repeat that after me? Amabhalunde aWolintshi ayisithupha. Oh, Mngani. This is just beautiful. I love this. I love this. I love this. And look at all the decorations on the wall as well. Oh, gifts. I want to open my gifts. Okay, let's start with this one. Oh, look at that. Ushokoledi. Ushokoledi. Chocolate. Will you repeat that after me? Ushokoledi. Very good. And I love this one because it is in a wonderful shape. It has the map of Africa on it. I love Africa. Ngiyayithanda iAfrika. Did you hear that, Mngani? Ngiyayithanda iAfrika. I love Africa. Will you say that with me? Ngiyayithanda iAfrika. Very good, Mngani. Let's see my next gift. Ooh, someone got me 2 books, 2 novels in isiZulu. I'm going to sit down and read and enjoy reading them. Lovely. Ooh, look at this one. This person knows that I love history. Umlando. History in isiZulu is umlando. Will you repeat that after me? Umlando. And this one is about the history of AmaZulu, talking about the king of AmaZulu. Wonderful. Oh, what else is there? Oh, I love this one. Oh, look at this one. Ngani. Buga, buga. Oh, look at this one. Umqhele. Umqhele. This is a crown, the traditional crown of AmaZulu. This is worn by men, and women wear these beautiful hats. I'm going to show you a picture of myself wearing one. But this one is worn by men. But the person who got it for me knows that I love it. I want to wear it now. Ah, how cool to have a crown on my birthday. Every birthday boy or girl needs a crown. Oh, I love mine. Will you say the word for it for me? Umqhele. Your turn. Umqhele. Very good, Mngani. Ooh. Oh, Mngani. Look at my other gift. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Stories of Africa by Gcina Mhlophe. By Gcina Mhlophe. This mama. Well, really, it's a gogo to you. Oh, Mngani. This is going to be amazing. I can't wait to read these stories to my children. Abantwana bami. Oh, Mngani. How wonderful. Mngani, a book in isiZulu is incwadi. Incwadi. Repeat that after me. Incwadi. Very good, Mngani. I'm looking forward to reading this. This looks so cool. Look at the animals outside. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, I have such amazing gifts. Oh, Mngani, there's another one. Oh, let me open it. Look, 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 look. Oh, let me open it. Let me open it. Ooh. How cool is this? It's a game that I can play with my family. This is so cool. I love this game. Oh, wonderful. Oh, Mngani, I have such amazing gifts. I'm so happy. Oh, my birthday is so beautiful. I love every little thing that I have had today, that I have received. Oh, Mngani, thank you for coming. Ngiyabonga. Thank you, Mngani. Oh, Mngani, let's have fun. Andile and Amahle, you saw them. They are dressed and ready to have fun and to dance today. So let's sing. Sukuma, shaya izandla, shona phansi, phezulu, celeni, jikeleza, jikeleza, celeni, gijima, zilule, shaya izandla, uMsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time. Yisonto uMsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. How cool is that? Lalela, listen, lalela. Ngizwa imvula, ngizwa imvula, wena awuzwa, wena awuzwa, chapha chapha imvula, chapha chapha imvula, senginethiwe, senginethiwe. Oh mngani, it was raining and it was such a beautiful day. Just what we needed, rain. Imvula, imvula. But today it's not raining, it's hot. You know mngani, when we looked out the window, there was a little breeze. Yes, it's hot, but just a little breeze that's just making the tree leaves move and rustle a little bit. And so I'm thinking, let's sing the song Imithi igoba kahle. This song talks about the trees and all the plants going this way and that way and that way when there is wind. And so, let's sing this song together. Imithi igoba kahle, ithi, ithi, kunyakaza amahlamvu, kanje, kanje. Imithi igoba kahle, ithi, ithi, kunyakaza amahlamvu, kanje, kanje. Siphumula kanjani na, izinyoni zidlekeni, imithi igoba kahle, ithi, ithi, kunyakaza amahlamvu, kanje, 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 kanje. Wonderful mngani. Oh, I love everything about my birthday. Ngiyabonga mngani for coming to my birthday party. You really made it so special. I have a gift for you. It says, mngani, ngiyabonga ngokuza emcimbini wami. Ngiyakuthanda, Mama T. Have a look. Mngani, ngiyabonga. Yebo mngani, ngiyabonga ngokuza emcimbini wami. But hey, wait a minute. Emcimbini? What is emcimbini? At the party. Umcimbi, umcimbi. That is the word for a party. Whatever type of gathering where you're having a wonderful time is umcimbi. Repeat after me. Umcimbi. Very good, mngani. So when I say emcimbini, I now mean to the party. So thank you very much for coming to my party. Ngiyabonga mngani. I had such a wonderful time with you, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Ngizokubona kusasa. Sala kahle mngani.
Mina mnandi kuwe,
Mina mnandi kuwe,
mina mnandi kuwe ma.